During my labor and delivery, I heard this term meconium. Heard the doctors and the nurses, they were talking about it. And why can this be problematic in certain situations? Want to know what I'm getting at here? Stay with me as I share with you this very important information. Hello, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm a childbirth injury and medical malpractice attorney practicing law in the state of Maryland. And I would like to quickly talk with you today about some really important information. And that information deals with this term, meconium. You're in the delivery room, mom or dad, you've heard that term, and now you're wondering, what is it? Is it problematic for your child? Well, in essence, meconium is the baby stool. That is what it is. It's the baby stool. It's a bowel movement. And it can be problematic for babies for two reasons. The first one being is what we call Meconium Aspiration Syndrome. And that's essentially where the baby will ingest the meconium. And this can cause serious problems for the child because you could be looking at things such as infections. It could get into the baby's lungs, and even certain instances, you can have a baby to die because of that. So meconium can be very problematic in certain instances. Another reason why meconium can be problematic when we're dealing with the vaginal delivery is because, coupled with other factors, meconium can be an indicator in some cases that the baby may not be tolerating that vaginal delivery well, and that you could have other issues that are present. So when we're talking about meconium, we're talking about MAS, Meconium Aspiration Syndrome. These are very important situations that can come up when we are talking about a vaginal delivery. So why have I taken the time today to talk with you about this really, really important information? Because I'm giving you insight into some very critical issues when we are dealing with birth injury cases. Maybe you are watching this video today because your child was dealing with MAS and and your baby has serious complications now that they will be dealing with going into the future. Maybe you're watching this video right now because your child has suffered a brain injury at birth, and now you are looking at a subsequent cerebral palsy diagnosis, and you've heard this term, or you've seen in the medical records not only this term meconium, but maybe you've seen the term HIE, or hypoxic ischemic encephalopathy, and you now have questions about how did the injury occur and how is your baby going to deal with some of the challenges going into the future. If you would like to speak with me further, this is what I invite you to do. And remember, taking this next action costs you absolutely nothing. And what is that action? To pick up the phone and give me a call. I could be reached at 301-850-4832, or if you prefer, send me an email to medicalinjury@bostonlawllc.com. I answer Maryland childbirth, injury, and medical malpractice questions just like yours all the time, and I'll be happy to take some time and listen to your story. All right, that's going to be it for today's quick educational video. Again, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the childbirth, injury, and medical malpractice attorneys here at Boston Law Group, LLC, and we will see you next time. Take care and enjoy the rest of your day.